Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And in this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies or the lecturer vacancies from the two colleges, and out of these two, one is the NIT. So without PhD or without UGC net, there is an opportunity in the NIT college, guys. Okay, we will check the details right now. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. So out of the two colleges here, the first one is the MIET institutions, Engineering, Arts and Science Polytechnic. So I will provide this link in the description box of this video, or else you may check down that miet.edu/jobs. Okay, then you will come to here, or else go to the career blog, guys. And here you can check down the Engineering, Arts and Science and the Polytechnic. Okay, so you may select any one of these things. If you belongs to engineering or arts and science or the polytechnic, okay, so click any one of this thing here. And if you are applying for the lecturer or assistant professor, okay, then select any one of this thing and then scroll down and coming to the department. So which department you belongs to? Okay, civil, mechanical, EEE, EC, CSE or others. Okay, if you are the others which belongs to arts and science, then click on the others, and your name and your father or husband name, date of birth, Aadhaar number, PAN number, gender, nationality, religion, community, caste and the marital status and your address. So all the details you have to fill up. Okay, and after filling up, then click on the submit button. Okay, so then your application will be submitted, guys. So you may check down here the different group of institutions are there, and it is in Tamil Nadu basically. And coming to the next college is the NIT Warangal. So NIT Warangal is calling for the ad hoc faculty positions for the even semester of academic year 2020-21. So applications are invited for ad hoc faculty positions purely on temporary basis in the Department of Metallurgical and Materials Engineering of NIT Warangal. So essential qualifications are PhD or MTech with first class in UG and PG, and the pay package for PhD holders 60,000 rupees per month, and for PhD submitted or for the only MTech holders 50,000 rupees per month. Okay, and the candidates having the direct PhD with first class in BTech may also can apply. And how to apply means applications in the prescribed format with scanned copies of certificates should reach by email to the head Department of Metallurgical and Materials, NIT Warangal, on or before 17th January 2021 by evening 5 o'clock. The email address of the HOD is given here, and the name of the shortlisted candidates will be displayed on the institute website by 18th Jan 2021, and the walk-in interview is on the 20th Jan 2021. So no separate call letter will be sent to the candidates. The shortlisted candidates has to required to attend the walk-in interview on 20th Jan 2021. Okay, selected candidates are required to join immediately, and the application form is also attached here. So all the interested candidates may apply, and based upon your qualifications. So these jobs are giving the opportunity to these departments with PG or UG, with UGC net or without UGC net, and the PhD also. Fine. So share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021.
So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam in the 2021, so both the UG Senate paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UG Senate exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.